Work continues on Monday, April 15, 2013 in Ocean City in replacing ramps to the boardwalk that were destroyed by Hurricane Sandy in October. Here, the dirt is being excavated in preparation for a concrete ramp and planks to be returned to the site. 5.5 months ago, Sandy took out a number of ramps to the boardwalk. Work at St. James Place has already been completed, and a similar job is being done at 2nd Street. The concrete footing has been poured, and the frame for the planks has been laid. This ramp at 3rd Street was completely picked up and moved aside by Sandy next to the Gardens Plaza. The new ramp will head straight from 3rd Street up to the boardwalk.